Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I would like to present our research. About Harriot model with random forest-based fixed effect estimation for small area estimation of per capita expenditure among poor and agriculture workers. The research team include Prof. Dr. Khairil Anwar Notodiputro, Dr. Indahwati, Dr. Anwar Fitrianto, and Ari Sobri Bukhari. The background is for this research for measuring the welfare of individual in the agriculture sector using per capita expenditures as an indicator, but the problem is the direct estimation for a specific group, often limited by small sample size. So we propose the model with a small area estimation that provides a cost-effective alternative. Small area estimation provides more accurate estimates by borrowing strength from neighboring or similar areas, using auxiliary information, example census and administrative data, and applying statistical model to link data source. And the challenge in the SAI model is the existing SAI model linear assumption often violated and limited unit level covariates available. So in our proposed model, we use random forest for handle non-linearity, and we use Harriot model to address this area level data. And this is the proposed model. The basis model is Harriot model with expectation and maximization that we called FHEM model. The modification highlights for FHRF model is we use random forest for estimate the X beta or fixed effect. And for model accuracy measurement, we use bootstrap approach or bootstrap based approach for counting the mean square error. And this is the several steps for counting the bootstrap approach of mean square error. And the result of this research is like this. The first, about the agricultural household heads, we can see that if we compare the SAI and direct estimate, we get the p-value below or under the 0.05. That indicates that the average RSA from the FHRF model is significantly lower than that of the direct estimate. We can see this curve that FHRF model effectively reduce the RSE, especially in district or cities with initially high RSE value. And the conclusion is the FHRF based SAI model is appropriate for estimating indicator for agricultural households. But for the group of poor population, we get the p-value 0.16. That's mean that upper or bigger, the higher than 0.05. That indicates that the average RSA of the HRF model is not significantly different from that of the direct estimate. So the conclusion is the relative standard error are nearly identical between SAI model and direct estimate. So SI model is not essential for estimating per capita expenditure among the poor population in this case. And then if we going back to agricultural household heads, if we compare the IPHEM as a normal SAI model with IPHRF, that is our proposed model, we get the p-value under 0.05. It means that IPHRF model is better than FHEM model. The conclusion is IPHRF based SAI model outperforms the SAI FHEM model for this dataset and is therefore more suitable for use. And this is some test for nonlinearity. We get the first three tests that are below 0.05 that indicating a non-linearity. So SI FHRF model is more appropriate for this dataset. Okay, this is the result that FHRF model is can reduce RSA from direct estimate. It's shown in the blue dot, blue line that not covered by red line, and this is the per capita income that the result of the research. The per capita expenditure for the general population and the poor is based on direct estimate, while the estimate for agricultural household is obtained using the SIA IFHRF model. The per capita expenditure of agricultural household is closer to the general population average of the poor, suggesting a relatively more prosperous condition. And the conclusion of this research is one, first, average per capita expenditure can be directly estimated from survey data, and the SIA model for the poor produce results similar to the direct estimate. The FHRF model gives the most accurate estimate for household led by agricultural workers. The FHRF model significantly improves estimate in area with high RSE. Expenditure of agricultural household is close to the general average, suggesting better welfare than the poor. The FHRF model is effective as it consistently lower RSE compared to direct estimate. The FHRF model works well with nonlinear data and always give a positive estimate of random effect variance. And last is for the recommendation, it still need to explore alternative MS estimation method to improve prediction accuracy. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much.